Hi, we're Joe and Ginger Shelton. We're from Orlando, Florida, and we bypassed a lot of classes to come up here. This class was very highly recommended. I came into this not knowing whether I wanted to ride or not, and I came out and I want to get a bike. Karen and Dan are two of the most fantastic teachers I've ever had doing anything, and I came in here not knowing how to start a bike or doing anything, and the confidence that they build in you is just incredible. They're so patient, and the things that they teach you, it's just for life. It's not just for the motorcycle. I found myself driving home in my car last night doing things with all the eyes and everything. They're just incredible. I can't thank them enough. Thank you.
I've been riding for over 45 years, and I'm seriously thinking about taking the advanced course after watching my wife this weekend. She's gained a new confidence, and we're very appreciative of the service that they're providing.